Hi, welcome back to our simulation part. As you have learned the segment display in your theoretical part, now we'll begin to test how we could manage it from the simulation. By giving the proper binary digit inputs into segment A through G, you can control the illumination of the segments, which allows you to display decimal numbers from 0 to 9 and even letters from A to F. On Multisim Live, you could choose segment display, hex display, and decimal display, which allows you to use different methods to generate the number or the letter you want. And as you know that there's a common anode and common cathode models, each LED has two connection pins, the anode and cathode. In 7-segment display, a common pin combines anodes or cathodes of all LED segments, and the remaining pins map to terminal A through G to represent each segment. You can configure the common pin to combine all the anodes by selecting the model in the item lab of the configuration panel. For example, in the common anode mode, the COM terminal, we could design a circuit to combine all the connections of the segment. And to display, we connected the wire COM terminal to logic 1 or high signal, and wire the individual segment to logic 0 or ground. In the common cathode mode, the quite opposite, to produce a display, wire the COM terminal to logic 0 or ground, and wire the segment to logic 1 or higher signal. Now let's begin to build our own simulation circuit. Now I have built our 7-segment display project on Multisim Live. Let's zoom in. So I choose this 7-segment common anode module. So if I want to light it, I have to use a high voltage linked to its common ground, and pin A to pin G, I use different double switch to connect it to high voltage and the ground. So let's run the simulation. If I want to display a number 1 on the segment, I have to switch the pin B and pin C to the ground. As you see, there's a voltage drop in this connection, and number 1 has successfully been displayed. I think this example could give you full advice of how to use 7-segment display in your project. Thanks for watching. See you next time.